Testing? Testing? That was weird. I just did a whole lecture on Squonk that I'm gonna have to repeat. Weird, that shows us anyway. Whatever. Hi there. So, lecture. So, Duke Donuts browses old magazine scans as part of his stream. Came across this lovely green dude named Squonk. Nobody has preserved this game on the internet. There are no type-ins of it available. There are no basic programs available. So, I'm going to be the one to type it in and discover what Squonk actually is. So, in the days of old, gladiators fought it out in a vast arena. In the future, they will battle it out within the confining walls of a vast maze. Once one lucky gladiator finds the power pill that is hidden in the maze, he will be able to shatter walls with a single blow. This is a two-player battle set in a maze. Players start off at opposite corners, and all-important power pill is in the center. Touching the pill, you can move faster and walk through the red walls, which appear randomly throughout the game. The power pill only has a limited effect, however, and after a random period, it will be repositioned in the maze. Two pills may appear, and either can be used. When a gladiator turns red, kill his opponent, but he must stay away from the walls of the maze as these carry a deadly charge. When a player has lost all his lives, the game is over. Squonk features a starting display which rivals anything we have seen on the Atari. Worth entering just for that. Well, that sort of description of a starting display, I'm very excited to try typing this in. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to be typing it in as a text file, and we are going to then save it as a text file and then copy it, paste it into an Atari 800 emulator, see if it runs. It probably won't, because then we'll be doing all sorts of fun debugging my typos. And once we have a working program, I will export it as a basic file that future generations can use to appreciate Squonk. Yeah, this code is seemingly quite reasonable. This is by far one of the cleaner basic programs I've seen. So, just start. Rhyme, yeah. There we go. 5. Yeah, we'll see if there's typos in this one, because that's a thing that happens too. At least the code is nicely separated into like collision, player movements, and so on, so that it should be not that difficult to debug, but we'll find out. While I'm typing this in, we can have some hot jam. Second, my OBS chat is acting up. There we go. Okay, where were we? What? Stick 1. 15. S equals 15. 1 equals 15. 19. 14. Then. Fine. B up PM S plus 102 4 plus y. Do not like how sometimes lines bleed over. That's how they formatted it in this case. Wow, those lines aren't even showing up in Streamlabs chat there. Impressive. I wonder if it's triggering some sort of auto mod thing, because I have a light moderation turned on the Streamlabs chat. 14, then 5, 1 equals 1 plus 1 b user up PMS plus 12e plus 1 1. It is. Thank you. Thank you, Chubo. You saved us from probably no audio. Well, this is a preview of what's to come in this stream. If S1 equals 11, then 1 equals 1 minus. If S is less than or greater than 13, 5. Yeah, I wonder what it has for sound. Probably just your usual beeps and bloops, but I'd be very impressed if there's music in a type-in basic game. 40 B user down. PMS plus 1024 plus Y colon A Y plus 1. Tree of Squonk. 45 if 1 13 55 B equals down S plus 80 plus Y. Hello, esports are for losers. Yeah, we're typing in basic. Y1 equals 1 plus 1. 55. If 7 and x plus 60. If S1 equals 7. 1 plus F. I'm not very familiar with Atari Basic, so I kind of don't really have any idea what this code is doing. Yeah, the bugs. Perfect for typing in, because that's what we're going to get a lot of. How was that install? The thing that gets me about those bugs comics is like they often don't seem to have a punchline and often don't even seem to have a plot. Assume these pokes are checking position. No, yeah, they're adjusting positions of joysticks. One. Oh, I see. It's probably sound effects based on joystick movement. D2, get flag equals 1, then T plus 1, yeah. Almost put an extra space in there. 800. I hope. Make sure there is a line 800. Yeah, okay. Lines like that kind of scare me because you're never sure if they meant 80 and then fat fingered an extra 0. 63 equals W plus 1. Cool. F. Greater than 150. And go sub. I'm actually just using the Kate text editor to type this stuff in. So you know what I could do? There we go. Five. If 5, 3, 2, 5, 2. 170. Yeah, basic, now in color. The music I'm listening to isn't actually from a game. It's by a group called Yogurt Box that decided they wanted to really do a PC98 style soundtrack for a fake game. Came up with this awesome set of music. 3, 2, 6, 1. 0, then 100. Go to N. Everything looks right so far. 75. Equals int 0 8 1. Random digit between 1 and 8. 8. Yeah, they did. It's a real cool album, well worth picking up if you like PC98 music. Eight. 4 X int 0 11. It's just built into the editor. Where am I? 7 plus 4 times 10 minus color int 2. This looks like this is some of the maze drawing algorithm. Well, it's colored 0 and a random integer that's between, well, it's 0 or 1, so, and then it appears to be plotting directions, so I think this is what it's using to draw the maze walls. I'm not very familiar with Atari Basic, so I could be way off, but that's part of the fun of this, is trying to figure out just what the heck is being done. I do not. Another example of draw 2, because that looks like it could be draw 2. See. Yeah, but I'm saying, like, is it draw space 2 or is it draw 2? I think it's gonna be draw 2. I'll have to check the manual later. Oh yeah, there's a second draw 2 right on this very line, so that should be a single word. Help. I can capture the cursor. There we go, so I can actually point at things now. Anyway. WX max 10. 2 plus 10. WY colon W 0 return. When I was setting up this stream, I tried to find a text editor that would do automatic line breaks right at 80 characters or 40 characters, but all of them are kind of designed around smart word breaks, which is why this isn't looking quite like the actual code there, which simply wraps. Alright. Players. Under if peak 53260 or then 150 1 if 261 or then 160. Thanks, autofill. Then player if call 109 peak 704 25 200 if peak 705 it's 25. If peak 260 2 then B0 0 1 colon C1 C1 minus 1 and poke 6 5 7 question mark space 0 poke 6 6 0 colon 5 7 I lost my place there for a second. 35 colon question mark C1. Alright. If C0 0 C1 equals 0 500, go sub 300. Maybe little up a bit, that the now playing doesn't interfere with what you see me typing in. Go to 1000. RAM. 3 and change variable. 150. PP1. PP1 plus 1. If PP1 equals 5. Then sound. What are you doing, you interesting highlighting? And see plus 1. Poke. Comma 0. Colon poke. 7 5 question equals BP2. Oops, see. Colon BP2 equals 0. Double check this whole line. Uh-oh, I inflated some lines. Now 100. Yeah. Yeah. Plus 1, 656. Yeah, I was looking at a lower line. Zero. There we go. That looks right now. 155. Q equals PM bass plus 536. 2 PM bass plus 72. Q next Q 4 5 1 equals 2 poke 5 3 2 7 8 0 flag equals 1 sub 250 1 go to 10. Like, I'm not even gonna try to decipher what this is doing because all these peeks and pokes are obviously doing something involving the memory at a basic level, but beyond that, I don't know what they're looking at. $59. E3. Change variables. 160. Yeah, this is the line that I had mixed up a bit of in that earlier set of pokes. Typo on 101. Excellent, thank you. If I ever get Twitch affiliate, I will probably make the name of that stupid little currency thing, channel points, named typos, so people can collect typos, redeem them for stuff. I need to stream enough to actually get over the very small barrier to affiliate. U equals 0. That looks right, minus the very weird way that this syntax highlighter is reading sound. Oh, 65, 4. PM pass 3 6 to PM pass 1792. Poke Q 0 to Q. Poke 705. 5 2 equals. And poke 5 3 8 0 flag 1 go sub 250 go to 10. Vision encounter. If peak 4 25 and peak 53252 1 and poke 3278 0 go to 10. One, if D0 equals 0, then 500. 5, 6, 0, 6, 5, 7, 13, 1 question mark C0. Sub 300. Really hope that thing right underneath 656 is nothing. Column done. We are about a quarter of the way through this. Opportunity. Save the text file for now. Don't want to lose any of this progress. I've saved squonk.txt. All right. To 1000. Collision encounter 1 200. Peak 75 25, and peak 5, 2, 1, poke 2, 7, 8, roll, go to 204. D1 D1. If C1 equals 0, then 5 sub 300. Poke 5, 6. 0. Oh boy, I'm gonna get to type in white spaces soon. Anyway, we're lost from the pokes again. 7, 5, question mark, D1, 2,000, 250, 4, 6, 156. Yep. 5, sound 1, C, N, C, sound 0, 0, return. $300. 4, C, 2, 2, step 1. 4, Z equals 0, 2, 5, sound 50, C, Z, next, C, sound 3, 0, 0, return. Game over routine. 1, 4, and equals 2, 160. Oh, thanks. That's. I'd call that up on a monitor. Kind of curious what 3, 2. Oh, they're the position, horizontal and vertical positions of player missiles. Cool. I mean, if there's a problem with the pokes, I'm never going to be able to debug it, but that's good to know, actually. Thank you for finding that. 4Z equals 15, 2, 0. Sound 0. 4 Z pokes 7, 2 3 5 3 7 7 0. Next Z 10. Sound 0 0 0. Poke 7 12 28. C 0 and 1 equals 0, and space. The battle drawn. And now, how many spaces are we looking at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well, you kind of have to. It'd be literally impossible to type in some of this stuff if it was variable width. C equals 0. Then 2 is the winner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. What? Oh. What are you doing? I don't trust that. Do it again. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Normally I don't copy paste, but I'm going to because that seems like the smart thing to do here. There we go. Press trig to restart. 5, 1, 0, 0, 4, 0, 1500. The Squonk is probably going to disappoint once it actually runs. We'll find out then. Oh no. More poking. Oh. One SP. 2 equal. Solve this equation to play it again. 1 5 1 plus 3 2 equals 2 not e int 1 126. Yeah, it's like at that point, are you really typing in basic? But the point of this isn't so much basic as it is getting this printed in a magazine in a form that humans can type in their awesome game. Where am I? Plus 4, 5, colon poke, 704, 60, 5. That correction is gonna get me sometime. All on one. 4, 260, 899. And their missile initialization. Number of asterisks correct. $900. 1228. And PP1 will never stop being amusing to me because I'm mentally 12 years old. PP2 equals 0. Colon B0 equals. Where am I? What am I doing? Who am I again? B0 equals 5. 1 H 0 5 2 4 8. Uh-oh, HP OSP 0. Could have gone bad. I am not bad, John, because I wish. Two, 4, 9. Five, 3, 2, 5, 0. I think I'm gonna check that whole line over again. 228, yeah. 2, 0, yeah. 0, 8, 9, 5, 0. Yeah, okay. Looks good. $1,000. Peak. 6. Oak. 4, 2, 5, 2, 7, 9. I. 6. 24. Q equals PM plus 104. End of that music selection. Bass 1792. Oak Q Pro X Q 1030 6 0 SP1 equals 1 2 equals 1 2 I equals 5 1 1 9 4 4 colon 1 equals 9 2 3 2 equals 1 over 8 5 3 2 7 8 restore I think this line is doing is basically just setting up initial positions. Yep, Dune Spice Opera. I have this actual CD now. Spent like 15 years looking for it, up to and including PMing people on the Pirate Bay and stuff who'd uploaded rips to see if they had a copy that I could buy. Eventually just found one on eBay. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna get out of this one. 60, Oak, 5, 3, 6, 5, Oak, H, LS, P0, X, Oak, P over 1. You know, it could very well be exactly that. Actually, no, the description makes it more sound like Pac-Man with extra steps. Or like a weird two-player version of the irritating maze. But who knows, maybe it's a first-person shooter. 4-5, almost missed a line there. 62, Oak, 3277, 3, 4, 2 equals 0, 2, 8, read, P, Oak, PM bass, 1024 plus Y plus Q, P colon next, Q. And 54, Q equals 0 to 8. Read, P, Oak, PM, bass. 1280. Plus 1. Q. P colon next. Q. To P, Oak, PM, bass, 6 plus Y plus Q, P, 6, 5, Poke, POS 2, call next, Q. Data 0, 33, hut, 45, 30, 30, 31, 33, 32, data 0, 4, 90, 26, 4, 36, 60. 0, emotion control, 6, 219, 95, 94, 126, 24, 80, Oak, 5, 82, 0, go sub, 0, to 10 equal BR up code for I equal up 2 up plus 12 or read B Oak I And next one, I return. Data 433. No, this is 8-bit Atari, so Atari 400, 800, XL, XE, and so on. I'm not familiar with Atari Basic very much, but I don't think familiarity would help in this case where it's half machine code anyway. 1203, 136, 145, 3, 200, 200, 92, 11, 208, 245, 9. Well, the Atari 400 has a membrane keyboard, which isn't great. Still better than the Spectrum's keyboard, I imagine. So that's the all and done. Let's look at this guy for a minute. What a beautiful specimen. Anyway, so we've done all of this so far. This is the remainder. Some of these look real fun. Like, this is gonna be like Irritating Maze or something, where you have to race to these power pills without hitting any of the walls. And then once you pick up the power pill, you just plow through the maze to the other player. This is gonna be interesting. Down code. I'm hoping for no typos, but I know that's kind of unrealistic. Code B, code next, return. Three, 0, 1, 7, 203, 2, 4, 5, 2, 3, 6, 192, 255, 28, 24. Honestly, typing in numbers is probably the easiest thing in this whole mess because you got the numpad. I typed the number on the numpad very well. $14.9. Whoops. Graphics display. Graphics. 7. Color. Left equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5. counting spaces or other graphical things like that is absolutely the worst. I should show you the listing for a type in Donkey Kong Jr. for ZX Spectrum. Like that, it looks absolutely impossible. 215. Need A, B, C, D. Lot. A, B. Draw 2, C, D. Next, Z. Data. 54. 54, 12, 36, 14, 44, 54, 58, 4, 6, 4, 68, 1, 4, 6, 34, 34, 44, 1, 4, 52, 24, 52, 54, 44, 54, 60, 54, 20, 54, 36, 24, 44. See, that's way easier than space counting. Data. 20. 24. 20, 24, 36, 104, 44. 144, 36. 154, 6, 54, 2, 160, 94, 24, 12, 4, D, 94, 68. I am not sure. I think this is the background, but I'm going to be very excited to see what actually gets displayed in Squonk. That's 1, 2, 4, feed, A, B, C, D, E, F. Lot. Two E 2 E F. Next Z. More data. I actually have my text editor highlighted. 0 data 30 12 14 12 4 84 12 64 12 64 28 124 12 44 12 44 8 124 8 14 20 14 6 1 4 4 8 94 8 94 36. We're probably going to be spending a lot of time debugging typos in this and then that insane mess of pokes earlier. But so far, I'm very grateful to all you folks who've spotted errors and typos and missing lines before we've gotten to that part of the process. More data. I'll see. 50, 84, 36, 84, 28, 4, 28, 44, 52, 54, 52, 14? That look like 14 to you? I'm gonna assume it is. 14, 52, 14. Yeah, they tend to be repeating patterns, so I would assume it's 14 because that shows up again. 8, 34. Eight. 4, 52, 4, 58, 84, 8, 124, 58, 144, 68, 144, 52, 54, 20, 54, 36, 74, 36. More data. 94, 20, 74, 20, 74, 36, 4, 12, 4, 12, 104, 20, 14, 12, 114, 20, 34, 20, 124, 36, 134, 36, 134, 20, 44, 44, 74, 44, 74, 60, 94, 52. Yeah, somebody's going to be able to take this Twitch broadcast and turn it into a number station by the end of this. Alright, 94, 60, 74, 44, 12, 44, 20, 24, 20, 24, 60, 60, 44, 68, 84, 2, 84, 44, 104, 44, 114, 44, 144, 44, 4, yeah, 114, 44, 114, yeah, okay. 6, 134, 60, 114, 60. Data. One 68, 4, 4, 154, 4, 154, 76, 4, 4, 4, 6, 54, 76. 900. Did I miss something? Oh, sorry. Well, after we get it typed in, we'll definitely go over it and But thank you. I really do appreciate that. $52. Dim. Dim. D. E. E. 2. Code 21. Code 1. Time 10. Oak 82. Sub 79. Sub D 10 15 22 20 press 1630 graphics 7 plus 32 52 1 color 2 0 space game for the 400/800 2 5 sun press rig that wasn't so bad because you could sort of they didn't bleed over onto multiple lines, so the space counting was reasonable. 1 2 750 if trig 0 0 1 0 2000 next I oak 77 54 02 1600 Huh? Did they forget a comment there? Color 1014. Color 200. Color 400. 90 color 2 color 100 restore 1820 read e if 4 1500 20 E then read row column Go sub 10. Lot. Column. Row. Go to 1710. Wait. 1740. Oh no, that's part of. Yeah, okay. That's just real weird because the line break is putting that 1810 right at the start of the next line. Okay. Origin 02 1710. I think I'm gonna widen this section just so that there, that's still readable and gives me less concern of those line bleed overs. Okay, 1740. If the S, then read voice, pitch, sound, pitch, and 602. In 50, if E D then turn 60 if E end turn 770 if D F then read row column go sub 18 and position column row column poke 65 color. I think whatever this is the impressive intro animation or whatever that the type-in counts. Yeah, a lot of these type-in things are kind of done by one person, and this is their one and only thing they've ever published in shooting. IO 18. Six 00 S plot column row 2. Okay, 1800 row read column go sub 1810 to column row go to 1710 1810 last line of this column row plus R origin column plus C origin return more data, all data. I will be back in a few minutes. I need to refill my drink and use the washroom. Meantime, enjoy my brand new be right back screen. returned. Refilled my decaf tea. Ready to continue squonking. We are on the final of the 4 columns of stuff to type in. And then we can see if it'll actually run. 15, 5. S 205. I am suspicious about that line, but they have previously referred to, oh yeah, there's the R, S, P, and D, and F, so this should make sense. Yeah, I ran into that a while back when I was typing in supposedly a maze generator. I couldn't ever get it to work, and I eventually tried typing it in on the actual, well, an emulator for the specific computer it was claimed to have been written for, and it still didn't work. So I think the code itself was just busted. $16.6. Okay. 6, 11, 9, 8, 7, 10, 9, 10, 15, 12, 16, 14, 18, 16, 19. 21, 18, 23, 16, 25, 13, 5, 7, E, 15, 7, 19, 9, F, 15, 11, 17, 13, F, 15, 11, F, 15, 9. Yeah, if you know basic code, I could actually send you that stupid maze thing I typed in previously, and you could see if you can make heads or tails of why it's busted. I might just link it on Twitter. Data P 25 15 25 7 F 23 4 21 2 F 15 F 1 17 7 E 15 9. I really do not like typing in this data that has fixed numbers and letters. Not that fun. F 14 7 12 4 F 10 2 F 8 1 F 6 2 F 4 4 F 2 7. 18. Great thing highlighted. 18 30 data 5 28 S 2. I like that line. Oh, autocorrect. Turn that off because I don't like doing there. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't auto-correct me into a typo. Auto-completion. Disable. Okay. Good. Good. Two, 13, 16, 6, 18, 8, 19, 19, 19, 21, 18, 23, 16, E, 7, 9, 6, 11, F, 8, 13, 19, 13, 21, 11, 21, 9, 19, 7, 8, 7. 1932. Data. 23, 16, 27, 19, 29, 16, F. 25, 13, F. 25, 7, 23, 4, 21, 2, 19, 1, F, 8, 1, 6, 2, F, 4, 4, F, 2, 7. 1840. Data R 1550 155 1841. Date P 2 13 2 19 19 19 21 18 23 16 25 13 25 7. Oh, I forgot to turn the hot jams back. $18.42. Data 2 19 2 13 19 13 21 11 21 9 19 7 7 2 1 P 25 F 3 4
Relax.
1
Relax.
2
Relax.
19
Relax.
1 F
Relax.
2 1. You're being threatened to relax. Two 13 50 Beta 2 5 7 2 0 120 1851 E 2 2. Ooh, that could have gone bad. 2 7 2 13 4 60 6, 18, 8, 9, 19, 21, 18, 3, 16, 20. $13 E 7, 6, 9, 6, 11 F 8, 13 F 19, 13 F 21, 11 21, 9, 19, 7, 8, 7. 1852. Data. E. Astounding. $52. Okay. We've not lost our spot yet. 25, 13, 25, 7, F, 23, 4, F, 21, 2, F, 19, 1, F, 8, 1, 6, 2, F, 4, 4, F, 2, 7. 60 data 1594 395 1861 data 2, 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 2, 13, 2, 19, 25, 19, 25, 13, F, 13, F, 15, 7, 25, 7, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 9, 2, 2, 13, 1870, data, R, 5, 116, S, 270, 1871, data, B, 2, 1, 2, 7, 11, 7, E, 19, 19, 13, 14, 8, 19, 2, 2, 13, F, 8, 13, F, 11, 7, E, 7P, 19, 19, 25, 19, 25, 13, 19, 13, F, 16, 7, 25, 7. I feel like the more of these lines I type in, the more I feel like I'm coming closer to activating some sort of hidden programming in myself. 1872, data, 25, 1, F, 2, 1, M9, data, end. Yes. 1880, restore. 10. Yeah, it's kind of like the Matrix. You don't see the code anymore, you just see the people, or in this case the squonks. You've got a red squonk over there, you've got a blue squonk over here. I saw it said data end. It lied to me. For I equals 1, 2, 32. Read C, D, I, character, D, next, return, data, 104, 104, 104, 2, 2, 57, 60, 0, 83, 0, 210, 1, 20, 1, 22, 208, 141, 10, 212, 1, 6, 08, 242, 202, 208, 237, 104, 11, Eta, 56, 233, 1, 208, 228, 96. Well, we're almost done. 4 and 0, 2, 3. Sound and 0, 0, 0. Next. And graphics 0. Yeah, I'm gonna be the world record holder at speedruns.com for typing in Squonk the fastest. What? That looks like a curly brace, and I thought Atari computers don't have those. Well, we'll go with it, but yeah. Somebody run this through an AI upscaler. Yeah, that really looks like one. This is the first place I'm going if it squawks at me for not working. Oh, it's space counting time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Squonk. Tech. Space, Squonk. It's a 2-player game, space set in a maze. Here's car, lighted, space, not opposite corners, and what? 15. power fill in the center. On touching the pill, you move faster and can walk through red space walls, which 2020 appear randomly throughout the game. Touch 5 pills, you gain a life. When colored red, you can kill 25. Your no space there. Your opponent by touching him. If you space touch any wall, you also lose a life. 2030. The power pill only has a limited space effect, and after a certain time it is in the maze. 20. Ooh, power space pills may appear and either can be one, two, three, four. Used when a player has lost all his space lives, the game 50 is over. 60. Press trig to start. 02, 5, 10. We have squonked it. Oh boy. How many lines was that in total? 153. Now, uh-oh. What happened at line 25? Did it eat an input? Oh. Maybe I have to do it in buffered amounts? try it in pieces. Oh. Huh. Yeah. I botched that line, I think. Yeah, line 25. If equals S11. That's wrong. All right. It's actually kind of cool that it... No, it's not eating an input. The line was wrong. I had if equals S11 rather than if S equals 11. This is actually handy if it's going to actually check for syntax errors at the end of a line. See, that worked fine. Commodore Basic doesn't care if you typoed something, it just yells at you when you try to run the program. Uh-oh. W1. This is actually kind of handy. WY equals... Did it actually highlight the error too? WY is... Now let's start counting brackets. WY equals 1, 2, 4, open, 4, close. Huh. Two, 3, 4, closed. Plus 4, WX. Oh, there should be 2 brackets by Rand. There we go. You might be doing this in piecemeal to save your ears. We'll see. Actually, what I could do is just turn down the computer audio output. I'm beginning to be very impressed with this Atari Basic. Like, this is very cool. So what happened at line 111? Got a question mark. Oh, did I miss a colon? I did. Will it let me just do this? Uh-oh. This is the part that makes me really nervous, is that these pokes are going to have major typos in them. You know, it's pretty cool, this paste functionality. I wonder if those pauses are evaluating the previous line to make sure there's no syntax errors. Here's the part that's going to make me really concerned, is the curly brace. Yeah. So 1730. 30 is if D equals R, then origin, the origin, colon, go to 1710. Line 1730. Where? Here it is. Then, oh, read our origin. Yeah. Boy, maybe I should use more Atari Basic. This is so much better than debugging Commodore 64 Basic. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying it, because I'm enjoying going through this process. Keep an eye out for that curly brace coming up. I'm still really nervous about that thing. It got mapped to character? No. Okay. We are going to save this first of all. Let me Squonk saved. It did. I have, if you're wondering what I'm doing here, I have H6 hard drive mapped to a directory on my computer. So if we go back to the basic type in, I can actually literally access the file here. We're also going to save it as a basic file. I think that should. All right. Yep. 8 at line 1740. One is line 1740. E equals S, then read voice, pitch, colon sound voice, space pitch, 10, 6. Go to 1710. That I don't see anything wrong with this. Ooh. Sound pitch. Six colon go to 1710. Second and the other one. Pitch. Sorry, 8-bit error codes. 8 is variable not declared. So, what is going on? Oh yeah, I also want to see what Squonk did to semicolon. I think it just removed it. I really don't see what's wrong with this line. If there's anything earlier that makes it obvious. I really don't see what's wrong. Hmm. Our voice pitch not defined? Hmm. I really don't know what's going on here. Gonna go to the washroom again and then come back and anything going to or go subbing 14. Hmm. Did I miss writing in 14? You mean 1710, sorry? Because it does exist, doesn't it? I mean, I'd be complaining about 1710, not 1740 if this thing was uninitialized. Uh-oh. Found an error. The line below. Nope, nothing's doing go sub or anything from that, but that makes sense because the way this code appears to be going, it's going what's in D, and then if it doesn't match any of these, it just goes straight on to 1800, and then it marches down. If it's P, then it does this stuff. If it's not P, then it checks the next line for R, and so on, and S, and then D. Well, we'll fix this. See what happens. See what happens. 8 at 1740. Variable not declared. Yeah, I really don't know what's going on. Step through character by character. If 740 space, if space, the $sign equals then space read voice comma pitch colon sound space pitch 10 6 colon 2 17 10. Like, it looks correct to me. Unless I'm missing something. Get back. Hmm. I don't know what's going on. Uh, I'm still very suspicious about voice and pitch being something that it's getting confused over. Oh. Hmm. No, that's... Take a look at other instances of the... Your 1600 is correct. It looks right. Hmm. Are there any earlier examples that I didn't type in correctly? It might be squonked. No, that's what I'm very suspicious about is voice and pitch. But I don't see where those would be defined. Which is why I was looking at some of this audio stuff here. Hmm. Input or read type mismatch. I wonder if there's something that's data here that's not correct, that it's pulling from. $34. Four, 44, 4, 12, 4, 54. Well, that one's right, at least. I really... confused here, though. Wait a second. Oh, wait, no, there's just the Go Sub 1810 confusing me once again. Why you gotta be like this, Squonk? This might be a multi-stream session, or I might take a look at it offline. I will definitely give you guys the Squonk listing, so if you want to poke at it yourself, you can see if you can do a better job than I can, which isn't difficult. I'm also still very nervous about this curly bracket. Hmm. Yeah, so... Well, so the tone stuff, what I was reading... Yeah, but... Yeah, well, the thing is, like, the sound command is voice, comma, volume, comma, note, comma, octave, comma, duration. So, what are we getting here? sound is voice. Pitch is not listed, so I don't know. Like, what is... What do you think I should try? Should I try changing voice, comma, pitch? Yeah. Voice, pitch, distortion, loudness. So it's probably picking up, because it's reading whatever the current voice and pitch are. Yeah, that's actually a very good idea. Let's make a duplicate of Squonk. Squonk2.lst. The sequel. So it's probably got garbage in there, so we're just gonna replace voice and pitch with ones. See what happens. Alright. Let's... Ugh. Maybe we'll squonk tonight? Oh, right, because the read statement is going to be garbage because I'm telling it to read. Here. So let's just remove the whole read statement. So instead, get... If it's S, then it just makes this specific sound. So notice that it fired up a syntax error there, so I don't think... It would have fired a syntax error if there was something wrong with that specific line when we tried to type it in previously. So what's happening is definitely it's getting bad data from somewhere and going, I can't do anything with this. So the question is, where is it getting its data from? I'm really liking Atari Basic. Like, it's very user-friendly. Like, I've said this before, but Commodore Basic doesn't tell you important information like this. It just goes syntax error. Type better, jerk. What? Oh, colon. An idiot. Oh, I'm an even bigger idiot. It should be if DS then sound. Colon is for when you do want to do something else on the same line. Come on, squonkers. Here we go. Which is line 1800. Is row equals value D colon read column go sub 1810 colon draw to column row colon go to 1710. So again, it's getting a value and not understanding what it got. So this definitely means that there's garbage data in here where it's pulling something that it doesn't expect or want. Because it's getting something into that variable and it doesn't like what it is and can't do the operations it's being told to do with that data. Yeah. I'm going to be calling it here, I think. I will give you squonk.lst and squonk2.lst, and you can take a look at it if you want, but I'm also going to be debugging the data offline because it's getting late and I am clearly not thinking clear enough to parse through very long sets of numbers. Thank you for sticking around. This was fun, even if the ending is a bit anticlimactic, but I will be returning to this. We will squonk eventually. It will happen. I guarantee it. So let's find somebody to. You were very helpful. Everybody in chat's helpful. Dana Chrysalis, esports are for losers. Left empty. Yeah, like Trubo, like spotting all of those errors and stuff right when I made them, sped this up very much. Anyway, Squonk will return. I can guarantee that. I think I'm going to send you over to Dr. Orochi, who is playing Grandia right now. And he has very nice, comfy late night streams. They're a good way to wind down after a long day. It may get a little weird at first, though, because he does interesting things with his audio. Anyway, thanks for checking me out. Thanks for squonking. We will squonk again.
Bismuth. I call that my magic trick. Did you like it?
Looking sharp, Ace.
You didn't like that one, Ash? You didn't like the tongue?
Thanks for the follow, by the way.
Isn't it cute, though?
Looking sharp, Ace.
An extra tongue? Hypersphere, I wouldn't be streaming here. That's
For the
all I
follow.
gotta say. Elbow tongues, then I could lick my own weenus. Bismuth, I have a very strange FYP on TikTok. Bevork coming in with that hot raid. What is up, bud? Hello, ladies and gentlemen.